The Lightboard is a video tool where you're writing on a glass board in front of you, so it feels, as the writer, though you're just writing on a regular whiteboard. But through video magic, the video looks like you're writing in front of you, so your students see your writing and you behind it. So you're never blocking what you're writing in the video.
The Lightboard, to me, is almost like a blackboard in the classroom, but it shows what I wrote on the board at the same time, and it shows me working in front of the board. So students can see my face, and students also can see my writing, and I can connect the piece and piece easily, just as I'm in the classroom to teach. But now, some of you get confusion between the three different signs. So now I'm gonna right here. I'm teaching an online class. That means all the students and watch and study learning asynchronized. So I need to have a good video to show them.
Now, the easiest way to identify a chiral carbon, so this is a chiral carbon. So if you want to draw a picture of a molecule or of a graph or something, it's much easier to draw the picture and interact with it than it is to, say, build a beautiful looking PowerPoint slide and then do it. So it's just, in terms of the ease, it's really nice. You can also project slides, so then you can be interacting with something that you have on a PowerPoint and annotate it or write on it, which is more interactive because the students are still seeing you than just watching your PowerPoint video.
Since pressure is a constant, we take it out. A good portion of instructors, they don't even realize there's resources available. And since they don't know it's there, they never thought about using it. And for me, I didn't know I can use this before I heard it from a colleague. And once I know it, it's quite convenient for me and it's quite effective for students.
Being able to do something like using the Lightboard or any of the new cool things they have in the Faculty Media Center with people there to help you figure it out and set it up for you and help you do it is great. All of my experience there has been totally awesome.